This video I'm going to show you how I rig up Muppets for when I use them on the boat. It's a simple rig really. I don't use swivels, I don't use weight clips, anything like that. All I use is the shock leader, and I'll show you how I do it. I've got £60 shock leader. This video I'm going to be using the 18cm fat nose Muppets. I really do like these because they are big. It's quite a good fish. I've got some 10-0 hooks. Thing is, with this rig you can change your Muppets, change your hooks while you're fishing. It's so easy to do. Right, so you take a loop at the top of your line. So like I said, I don't use swivels, I don't use weight clips, so this is how I attach my main line onto the jig. Remember, always lube your knots. Stops the friction burn and stops it from getting damaged. Pull it tight. Like that. That's how I attach the main line. Just the link clip onto that and done. Right, so you come down so far. Obviously I'm going to make a T-knot now. Obviously I've got a video on the channel how to do this. It is slowed down so it is a bit easier for you to look. Obviously this will all depend on how far you want the hooks off your main line, how big you want the length coming off the T-knot. Obviously I use the T-knot to keep the hook off my main line, which stops it from getting tangled so much. And what I always do is check to see how far the T-knot will hang down so it doesn't catch your other hook. I say, I've looked on my channel, I have got other videos and all that. I am putting videos on regularly, trying to help out the best I can with people who may not know the best knots to use or best rigs to use. Like I said before, I'm not the best angler, but I have picked up a few little tricks. What has helped us catch fish more. Thing is, why I like this knot as well, you can change the Muppet and you can change the hook without having to mess on trying to change the rigs and everything like that, or trying to get the rigs on and off. So this is quick, and I will show you what I mean by taking them on and off. bit more for your weight. I like the knot on the top where I attach my line and make a bigger loop on the bottom. Just so I can slide it over my weight so I can get the weight on and off. Of course I do use dumpy jigs which have muppets and all that on the bottom, which I do buy off people and everything like that from shops and everything like that when I do see them, if they look good enough. What I mean by that is I've got a 12-ounce fast dropper here. See, all I'll do is pour through the top, bring it underneath, over, back up. That's how I attach my weight. And obviously if I want to change the weight or change the muppets to a different rig, just open over and back out. Simple. Right, for the muppet, obviously I have already pasted the head of this muppet. So you feed your line through. Obviously I try and keep the hole as small as I can. Stop it from going over the hook and sliding down the hook. So when you feed that through, feed it onto your hook. Then over. And what I usually do is twist it and come back. So it's got two, and that's how it sits. And obviously with the muppet on, it sits nice. Then the second one, exactly the same again. So obviously this does work with different size muppets and different size hooks, because I do use a 10 centimeters or the 12 with 8/0 hooks, 6/0 hooks, all depends where I'm fishing. I prefer these big hooks and big muppets, especially when I'm on the wrecks. Of course, some of the ling and all that you can get them from the wrecks are quite good sized. There you go. And that's my rig for the boat. Nice and simple. Doesn't cost arm and a leg with all the swivels and all the other different weight clips and everything at all. Just waste of money on rigs on this, in my opinion. To change them, just feed the line back through and just simply take it off. Just take it through the hook, change the hook, put a smaller hook on, take the muppet off and change the colour of the muppet. Sometimes it's quicker than having to rake through your box and everything, because I do have muppets, I do have hooks and all that in my pocket, just in case they do want different colours. Because I have been out before with these Lurmos, had to change them for the orange or the rhubarb custard ones to catch a fish. Because fish are picky sometimes. Seen really good the pink ones lately, but I hear everyone seems to be catching on the pink muppets. Let's see, just put that back through, put it through, twist it and back over to get hold of it twice. There you go. See, the way I rig these up as well when I'm on the boat, I usually like doing it when the mackerel's in. So all I do, I'll fillet the mackerel and I'll put a full fillet on that, but what I'll do, I'll cut the end so it's got like a tail, so it flaps about a little bit more. I've found that does attract the fish a little bit more. And don't forget to cut off your excess. Let's see, have a look at the channel. There's other videos on how to do the T-knot and everything like that, which is slowed down, a bit better for you to learn. If you like the video, give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and tight lines everyone.